This is the Lumia 532 disassembly video. Before performing any repair actions, make sure you're familiar with these warnings and cautions. To disassemble, you need the standard care tools. You will also need the camera removal tool SS276. Protect the A cover with protective film. To open the battery cover, push the top left corner as shown. Next, push the top right corner of the battery cover. Then push the camera lens and release the top end of the battery cover. Lift and remove the battery cover. If there is a battery inserted, remove it also. Unscrew the 4 Torx Plus size 6 screws as shown. Do not reuse. Discard them. To release the D cover, start from the bottom left corner. Use the SRT6 to release the 3 clips as shown. Next, release the 2 clips on the top end of the device. Release the 3 clips on the right side of the device as shown. Then, lift the D cover and remove it. Use the SS93 to open the touch panel connector as shown. Detach the touch panel flex gasket with the SS93. Remove and discard the touch panel flex gasket. To open the display connector, use the SS93 as shown. Open the 2 clips holding the engine board with the SRT6. Lift and remove the engine board. Lift the earpiece with the dental tool. Do not reuse the earpiece. Remove and discard the earpiece adhesive. Release the 4 clips holding the LCD bezel with the dental tool. Lift and remove the LCD bezel. To release the display, carefully press the top right corner of the A cover as shown. Be careful not to overbend the A cover. Next, carefully press the top left corner of the A cover as shown. Press also the middle part of the A cover. Next, press the A cover carefully and insert the SS93 between the display and the A cover. Push the SS93 slowly towards the bottom end. Carefully lift and remove the display. check the adhesive on the touch panel and the tape on the display are not damaged. Check also the top end of the A cover, that it is not overbent or damaged. Use the protective film to protect the touch panel and the display. Push the camera lens with the sharp end of the SS93 as shown. Remove and discard the camera lens. Remove the camera lens adhesive. Do not reuse it. Use tweezers to remove the speaker mesh with gasket. Do not reuse. Discard it. Use the sharp end of the SS93 to lever the speaker. Remove the speaker gasket with a dental tool. Do not reuse it. Release the 4 clips holding the main antenna with the SS93. Remove the main antenna. Remove the P-sensor rubber. Use the SS93 to peel off the earpiece PET. Remove and discard the earpiece PET. Use the camera removal tool SS276 to remove the camera. Use the dental tool to lever the RF shielding lid. Remove and discard the RF shielding lid. The disassembly procedure is now complete.